Reduce oil consumption. Restore engine life. Restore horsepower. Restore compression. What I'm doing here, while that's draining in the engine, this is the 79 Ford F100, which I'm calling Project Old School, which it's 30 years old. It doesn't seem to have much oil pressure, but the oil that was in this was very old. And we're going to try some engine restore. Original engine, 160 some thousand on it. Get the battery turned off. 161,000. I like to keep it original. Remove the cap to do some body work, as you can see, but we want to see how the engine is, so give it a oil change here and see what we have, because oil is cheap. So I have used this stuff in some other vehicles, and seems to work rather well. On my 94 Chevy K2500 6.5 diesel, it actually cut the consumption of oil in half. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Thing holds about 6.5 quarts of oil. It is a 302. Did have some history of some noisy lifters, so I'm expecting with fresh oil going in it some noisiness out of this. If I have to rebuild it, I will, but it'd be cool. It has 161. It'd be nice to see if it can make it last. This truck does have a lot of sentimental value to me. My dad purchased this in 1989. Actually, technically, Mom did, for his 49th birthday. And he decided, I may have said this before in other videos, to just give it to me. So, but in this series here, I'm going to slowly do some videos on restoring this truck. And hope you enjoy it as much as I do.